Hello, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. Finding a new niche from Amazon KDP, there is really hard. So, in this video, I will show you there is a hot KDP Q4 niche. As we have some events Q4 coming up like Halloween, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Um, so we will try to work with this niche from now on. So I will upload video under this type of Q4 niche from still now. So I request you to watch my every video carefully from start to end, and you will research the niche what I have given you and work on your own. Then you can learn something new and generate good earning. So if you we will go to Amazon KDP marketplace, and our hot KDP Q4 niche is my first big book of coloring Halloween. My first big book of coloring Halloween. There is here my first big book of coloring Halloween. Here there's a BSR rank is 45,741, and we can check out the income rate of this book. 45,000 741. So per day sales 7 and per month sales 99. So obviously there is a big niche. So we can check out the trademark and copyright. When you find out a niche, first of all you can check out the trademark and copyright. No trademark and copyright here. So there is a Halloween, my first big book of Halloween. So there is interior pages, and there is a interior pages, so it is make to easy to create. So we will work this type of niche and upload on Amazon KDP. So personally I think this is a really good niche to get into more revenue from Amazon KDP. So you can make good cover and good manuscript, and select and choose profitable keywords and upload the book correctly. Then you can earn more revenue in this season. So if you have liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel and notification bell icon when I can share more news, more ideas, and you can get a notification at a time. So if you have liked, uh, if you have, if you want book cover design service, interface design service, please contact with me via social media or WhatsApp, because I am a graphics designer. uh, I work uh, all over the world uh, uh, as a graphic designer and book cover and interior designer, KDP niche researcher. So thank you so much. Thank you all.